What's up, guys? So today we are working on the cord. I gotta basically get super clean. We're gonna clean the bottom of this transmission oil. There is a bunch of oil leak. They were saying that. Let me readjust this. All right, so the oil is right. Where is it? At? Right there. They said they couldn't get that off. It was twisted. I'm not sure. It looks fine to me. I don't think they just were doing it right or what. But I do have the tool to get it stripped. But as you can see, all this oil, it is completely dirty. So I'm going to wipe this down before I get started. Spray it with super clean. And then clean all these lines, because this is no bueno. Look at that. And I have a feeling I have to change the rear transmission, the rear transmission mount. So I gotta do that, and then we'll figure something out. But yeah, let me get started with the super clean and get all this nasty. If you guys can see it, gross. Okay, down there. I might need a pressure wash. Look at all that. Not just all caked on. Let me get this oil change going, and then we'll do the radiator. Well, it looks like I'm not gonna be able to do oil change because hand tools are not working. So I tried using that, and it would not extract the bolt. So I'm gonna have to go to homie Randy and see if he let me use his impact gun and just hammer that socket on there and rip it out. I do have a new drain plug, but it's in the house, and I believe they locked the door, so I just got the car keys, and yeah, so I'm not getting in. So I'm gonna try to just change out this radiator real quick, and then I gotta go to the junkyard. I gotta get a back bumper for the Integra, so I can start ordering all the parts, and we're gonna start doing some Honda content. So let me try to do this radiator now. Shit. Got the radiator off. Did not have my freaking, channel lock, so I had to use my vice grips to get this bottom hose off. Got these ones. Unplug this clip, plug the bottom clip. So now you can see under here, everything looks good. And I noticed these fog lights are hooked up. Just the wire was cut. So I wonder how they're powered. I wonder if it's just powered directly to the headlights. So I'm gonna rewire these and shrink wrap these another day to put these back together. But yeah, so get this going. Like I said, I gotta go to the junkyard. So we gotta do a junkyard run today. So I'm gonna, there's videos on how to install this on a radiator or in a cord. So I'm gonna just put this together, run it, get the fluids flushed, or they already are, but add it, and then we're going to the junkyard. So let me get this done. All right, radiator's in, sensors are plugged. We're gonna run it now and get all these bubbles out of the radiator. Slap this bad boy in full heat. beat. Sheesh. Run. Do this. Off. There. And then how do we do the temperature on high? Start it. This motherfucking run. Get all the bubbles out. So let's get that bad boy run. And we're going to the junkyard. I'm beat. I'm tired. Alright, for what I'm told, there's a GSR here. So let's see if I can find it. See what's in there. If anything, I'll probably grab that ECU just so I can have a ECU. Alright, so we're at 110. I gotta go to 142. I'm already tired. Alright, let me go and find this bad boy. I found these Zaptor market. I took one off. Looks like it's one plug setup. I don't know if I want them. Kind of just hoarding it. And I have the TYCs already. These are just like eBay brand, I think. I don't know. I do want this handle though. I'm gonna have to take this off because it is chrome. It's a chrome one. So I'm gonna take this one off. And here's the GSR. Gutted. Sheesh. ECU gun, shipped there, everything gone. Somebody got a nice B series. Yeah, motor gun. Well, at least that bumper that I need is off the four doors there. I'm gonna go grab it. God damn, man. Fuck, second time. GSR seats. Get out. This one's broken here. I don't know if I want to take it now because I can get a new one on eBay. Let me go back to the table. Clips are okay. Nothing broken clips. I'm gonna take this one. Find exhaust, but I did find a Spoon Sport exhaust for him. Oh shit, these are leather. I wish all this interior was here. I would have swapped this for him. Alright. Keep it moving. This should fit in the box, skybox. Let me get it off. Bumper is off. And this part here is zip tied on. This is like a small crack here. But it looks pretty good. I'm gonna sand this down for him before I put it on. Let me go look for some Honda Accords and I'm out of here. So I took off a 4-door spoiler to see if it'll bolt on a 2-door. And looks like the bolts match up. So, do want to put a spoiler on my dad's, but I want to find the one that doesn't have the brake light. It just says the cord right here. But it does fit it. I know it fits. And putting out new cars, I saw an XB back there that they just moved. So I'm trying to find it if they put it out here in the yard. So still hunting. And 35 bolt-on exhaust. It's clean. Finally found a boomerang antenna, and it's not complete. It's broken. Damn it. I got this. I'm gonna go pay for it and leave. I'm gonna go back and work on the cord. Oh man, I am beat. That sun destroyed me. Got the bumper in here. Damn, I wish I didn't have to drive. I need to get another daily because of this daily. So, got that. I didn't get anything there. We're putting out an XB. I don't know when, but it has the rear lip that I don't mind getting. So, if that does drop, I'll go back and get that rear lip for mine because it allows me to have a dual exhaust and I can do my custom exhaust. But if not, then I'll buy the aftermarket bumper. So yeah, all right, let me go and head home, drop this off and grab the wiring and go back to the cord. I'm beat. I gotta get something to drink. All right, so back home, or my dad, mom and dad's. I got the wiring set up. So the fog lights actually work now. When you turn on the headlights, the fog lights work. So at least will be brighter at nighttime. I know my dad's dealing with hospice right now, so kind of we gotta wait. Maybe they'll come here and help us. Just gonna button up everything with the clips, and then we're done with this car until I can drive it to Randy's shop and borrow his impacts because I got a good look at that oil pan out. So, and I almost threw away the damn radiator, new radiator cap. It was actually on the box still, so took it off, put the new cap on. I'm just gonna let it warm up, check everything, make sure that it's no leaks. We're full on there, we're maxed out. We've got perfect levels on everything. I do need to buy an aftermarket battery tie down for this because that's gonna move around. And I got this piping 2.5, so I'm gonna check this on the RB because I think I do need a new 90 for one of my couplings. I don't, kind of feeling it's like a 3 or 4 inch, but I'll have to check that. So I'll leave it there so I don't forget. And just finish this up and should be good to go. I'm happy that actually the fog lights work. It's going to help out a lot. So, all right, let me go ahead and button up everything. All done. Fog lights hooked back up together. We got all these tabs in. Nothing going anywhere. We're good. No leaks. Fan kicks on. Everything is great. And then I wanted to add these to the car. I figured give it something. I just don't know if they go this way or this way. So I kind of like this look. Kind of flows with it. So I got these off of Temu. I was gonna put them on the queue, but I was like, I'll put them on here, give it something in the rear. So just slap these on real quick and call it a day. And done. Sucked that to bust out the smaller drill, but it gives it a little style. I mean, something. If I have extra parts, I might as well throw it on something. There we go. All right, I'm gonna play at the RB and then I'll I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me play with my Skyline motor. Alright, y'all. See you guys in the next one. Peace. We done with this. I gotta park it back in the garage. But we good. Fog lights are working. We're good. Next will probably be the Integra. I gotta order all the parts. So, but yeah, I guess it's something in the rear. So it doesn't just look like a back of an egg. Alright, y'all. See you in the next one. Peace.